Hello everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a Primark haul, and I'm also going to be showing you what is new in Primark. And I will admit, the Primark I went to was pretty bad. They just had a lot of the exact same thing out, and a lot of it was kind of like the more basic items and things like that. But I did manage to film a few clips and show you some really kind of like on trend and popular pieces, which I have seen in other people's videos and in the Primark that I did visit. I've also got a little haul for you at the end to show you why I ended up picking up over this trip and my last trip to Primark, as they're all kind of like summary and popular items, which I did check are still available in store now, even though I picked them up a couple of weeks ago. And if you do want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe down below, and you can check out my lifestyle playlist above, which has a load of more things like hauls and stuff like that, which you can also check out after this video. But without further ado, I'm going to show you what's new in and what I got in Primark.
So like I said, they didn't have massive stuff that kind of attracted to me, but this wall that you're seeing here is the trending now. So they've got a lot of denim, a lot of khaki and like beige, and again this really nice rusty kind of colour in loads of different like styles. They've also got quite a lot of things with different kind of buttons on them and just kind of more floral prints. I also really liked the pink mum jeans. Again, they've got a lot of different style of denim shorts in different colours. So they've got things like paper bag, mum, high-waisted, and then this wool I was obsessed with. I really want the yellow cord, but I just don't know when I would wear it. And there are loads of Disney items too.
So now that you have seen what is new in Primark, I'm going to show you everything that I picked up over my last two trips really. Okay, so the first thing I picked up is a pair of shorts, and these are the mum shorts. They're a popular style at the moment. I've seen so many of these in Primark, and they do a load of different colours and styles and things like that. So I just got the basic denim kind of shade. They're just folded up at the bottom as well, which is really nice. And again, they've got like pockets on the front and on the back. They also have a belt loop, which I find is really appealing. I just really like to be able to use a belt in case they've stretched or whatever, or just to add it as a fashion accessory. Now I did get these in a size 6, and I definitely recommend you size down. I know that sounds really strange, but for me, I tend to think that I'm like an 8 or something in shorts, and I tried an 8 on and they were huge. So do try these on in store, but these were only £10, which I think is so affordable for a pair of denim shorts, and they're a really high quality as well. They're quite a nice thick denim, so they're going to be perfect for the summer, which hopefully we'll get into in the next few months really. Then the next thing I picked up in Primark is just this t-shirt, which is going to make the lighting go crazy, but it's this white kind of cropped top, I guess, and this says ciao adios laters, and again the sleeves are folded up already on this, and this is only £5. It's kind of just one of those basic things which you can throw on with anything. I have worn this at the moment with just a pair of jeans really, and then I've put like a jacket or a jumper over it, but in the summer you can pair this again with shorts or skirts, anything really. You can tuck it in, you can let it hang out. I got this in an extra small, which is a 4 to 6, and the reason for that is because it's quite like big already. It's kind of a little bit oversized in terms of like shape wise. It's a bit boxier rather than kind of like slim, so do definitely try this on. You might want to slide down, you might not. It just depends how you want it to fit really. And yeah, on me it kind of sits around like my waist area, which isn't too bad. So again, with like high-waisted jeans, it's like perfect. And yeah, for like £5 you can't go wrong with a basic top. The next thing I picked up in Primark was £3, and this is just a basic black v-neck vest kind of cami. Again, this is just something you can wear with anything. You can wear this with a skirt, with jeans, with a shorts, anything really. And I thought this is kind of like a nice thing. You can really dress this up with a nice pair of like trousers or something, or you can literally just wear it to the beach. You know, you've got so many options with this. It can like make or break an outfit, and for like £3 I thought that was really good quality. It is a really nice thick material as well. It's not very thin, so that is really nice. And yeah, this is in an extra small like I mentioned. I then also got another top in a similar style, but this one was £4, and this just has again these like spaghetti straps, I think that's what it's called, and this just has like a really nice red kind of like crochet lace detailing to it, as you can see, and that kind of just goes down the middle and then at the bottom. And this one was £4. Obviously you're paying a bit more for the detail, and again this is in a extra small. But yeah, I just thought again something really nice. You can dress this up or just wear it to the beach simply, and the back is just plain anyway, so you know, really, again, versatile piece just to have in your wardrobe. And then the final few things I got are kind of beach related, because I find it so difficult to hunt for swimwear, especially like as it gets closer to the summer. Everything's kind of sold out already, and I don't know, I'm just so fussy and I have to find stuff that fits. And I've got 2 trips away this summer. I'm going to Croatia at the beginning of July on a geography trip, and then I'm going on holiday end of July, early August to Portugal with my family. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a bit of swimwear shopping now. So I did buy this bikini in Primark, and I've actually bought another one in H&M, and that's kind of like sorting me out. But this top was £6, and it's literally just a plain black top. It's nicely like lined and padded inside, and it's just got this little bow in the middle, which you can untie, but I think it looks better when it's tied up. And then you just tie it up around your neck and also your back, and for like £6 this is pretty good. I think it's a really just easy thing to wear, to be honest, and you know, you can't go wrong with something plain, but because it's got like that rib detailing, it kind of looks special. It's not really picking it up on the camera, but I'll do a close-up. But yeah, I just think this was so nice. This is a size 8. To go with the top, I just got some plain black bottoms. These were £2, and to be honest, like, you can't go wrong. Just plain black bikini bottoms. I mean, there's not really much to show you here. They're just like easy to wear, and I've got so many different like tops which just go with plain black bottoms. So I'll probably end up picking up another pair, because like for £2 it's like worth it. But it just allows you to kind of wear a really nice top and just go basic on the bottom, really. And then the final thing I picked up, again swimwear related, but this is just a bikini bag. This was £2, and basically it's just to put any like wet swimwear in, or like sun cream, anything like that. And I just thought, you know what, it's easy to put things like my sun cream in, because I don't want that leaking in my bag. Or for example, like when you're traveling home, if you've got like wet swimwear or anything like that, you can just pop it in here. Pretty simple stuff. They had so many different like styles of these as well, so do go look at them, because you like can't go wrong. I think they had about 8 different designs, but I just went for this one. It's got like red writing, and then it's got blue stripes, and then obviously it's red on the back, so that kind of shines through. But yeah, like £2 for a waterproof bag, I wasn't going to complain. That's everything I picked up in Primark and everything that is new in my local store. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like me to do another one of these, maybe when I go to a different Primark that I might have better stuff in, then do let me know down below. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below too, to see more content. I film study with me's, lifestyle videos like this, and all sorts of stuff like vlogs, etc. So do subscribe if you are new, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see over the next few weeks, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!